Yeah, Vishwa.
Great. Yeah. So thank you for this. Click on EC2.
What, Vishwa?
Click on EC2. EC2 machine. Yeah, EC2.
Okay.
One nimishan. Click on EC2 and again the launch EC2 machine. Yeah. You can give it the Docker instance name. And also everyone, do we have like GitHub sort of the Docker Hub account?
What account?
Docker Hub account, Docker Hub.
I don't. I have to create one?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the continuation from yesterday, right? This is the second class.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, Vishwa. What should I do now? I give a name.
Oh, 1 second.
Yeah.
Just a moment. Just actually, I'm testing for 1 year. All right. So yeah, scroll down. Vishwa has been joined today. Chetan, please provide us the prerequisite so that like. Okay, click on this 1 second. Is it audible, right? Scroll down. 2022. You can take the 2022. Don't choose this AMI. You can choose the 2022. Yeah. Yes. Linux 2. That's correct. No. Scroll up. Linux 2. Second AMI. Yeah. Great. Yeah. So now scroll down. AWS is fine. Scroll down. Yeah, you can take to micro machine only. I think is it the first time like everyone are using this Docker? Sorry, I mean like the AWS account.
I work on AWS a little bit, so I have some idea.
Okay, great. Yeah. And you can create a key pair here. Create a key pair. You can give the key pair name, yes. So I think everyone knows that like how to connect from Windows machine to Linux machine and again Windows to Windows machine. So we are using the third-party tool PPKey. So that's why it is a PPK is nothing but putty private key. PM is privacy enhanced mail. Okay, fine. Create a key pair. Yeah, launch the EC2. Launch, yeah.
Yeah, it's running state.
Yeah, so try to connect from this machine. Yeah. Now open the putty again.
It's still initializing. It's not yet up.
Yeah, check it. It will log in, no worries. Are you using putty or else like a git bash? No, please use putty and download putty. Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, not required, not required. You no need to do this one because you have downloaded the APK file, right? Download putty.
Which version we download here?
Yeah. First one only. Yeah. So I think it is downloaded. Yeah, please open that and install it.
And then no.
Yeah.
Yeah, installation completed, Vishwa.
Yeah, it is done, right? It's been installed. Yeah. Fine. Yeah, you can install that one. You can install that one putty.
Yeah, done.
Okay. Now you open the putty. Yeah, you have to click the install. Okay, it is already there. Search in the Windows icon like putty. Search in the Windows icon putty.
Okay.
You should have a public IP right there on the
Yeah,
instance.
he's asking the host name.
Yeah, on
Yes.
AWS
No.
EC2.
Public IP you can add there. Yeah.
You'll have
Paste the public IP. Yeah. Paste karte ke editable, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Copy the public IP from the AWS console.
STA, right?
Yeah, paste it. Yes. Yeah.
You need to load that key, right? PPK.
Yes. Go to the connection, left side. Go to the connection, left side, down. Yes, SSH, auth, AUTH, auth. Expand that, credentials. You can upload in the browse drop. Yeah, great.
This one, right?
Yep.
Yes, open. Yeah, click open. Yeah, accept. Yeah. Yeah, the default username of this machine is EC2-user. EC2-user. Enter. Yeah, now you should do this one. What is it? Sudo yum install docker. Please run the command sudo yum install docker.
Sudo
Yum install docker. Yeah.
any spaces in there?
No.
Sudo.
Yum. Yum install docker.
Yum space. Yum.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. Docker.
Click yes, right?
Yes, yeah.
Yep. So how is it for Windows? I mean, it's the same thing. You got to download the software from
Yeah,
internet
you have
and
to
just
download Docker for Windows. You have to download the Docker for Windows.
okay. Yeah, installation is done.
Yeah, install
So-
Docker here completed.
Yes, you can clear the screen. Yes. Now, sudo space service space docker start. Yes. Now you can run the command sudo space docker. Sudo space docker. That's it. Enter. Yeah. See, this is the default commands we will come. So I think maximum we have like 20 commands. Scroll up. Yeah. So I think today is the demo class of our last demo class. I think, yeah. So meanwhile, in the live classes, I'll give that exactly what is containerization and again, what is the virtualizations, how exactly the same namespace and again, so what is that namespaces and again, C group will be defining there. Okay, fine. Now just directly we can run the commands here. Clear the screen. Control L is a shortcut command. Control L. Yeah. So the Docker, which version we are using? Sudo docker --- version. You can run the command.
To 25.0.3.
Okay, great. So now again, you can run the commands sudo docker images. So right now we don't have any image
We don't
here.
have any.
Any image, yes. So sudo docker pull Ubuntu. Sudo docker pull Ubuntu. If you want the latest image, you can give the latest. As like if you want specific version, you can give the specific version. Yeah, sudo docker pull Ubuntu latest. Directly you can enter it. No issues here. Super. Now you can run the command sudo docker images. Yes. So now you can run the command sudo docker ps. So I have not given the any architecture of the Docker. Basically we have a Docker architecture. The Docker architecture is nothing but wherever we install the Docker, that is called as a Docker host machine, right? So we have a Docker image and again the container and again how the demand communication will be happening and again how exactly these commands will be communicating with the API method. So all this will be explaining in our live classes. Yeah. So now, so your images is there. So what is the difference between the first question in the interview, or is the first thing we should understand? What is the difference between Docker image and again that container? The collection of data. So what is the collection of data here? Binary, library, execution files, any kind of configuration file is called as a images. The collection of data is called as a Docker image. The running time of Docker image is called as a container. The runtime of Docker image, I mean, whatever we are having here, this is called as a Docker image. But now I'm running this Docker image Ubuntu, that is called as a container. So can we start this Docker container now? So we can see this whenever we run the command Docker PS, we don't have any running container. So whenever we run the command Docker images, we have the repository Ubuntu, tag name is latest, image ID, and again the created 4 weeks ago, someone has been created, and again someone has been, so it is a 78 MB. So we can also create our own Docker image, and again also we can push, and again we can also contribute that we can see in our classes. Yes, now we can start this container. So what is the first question? The difference between Docker image and again container. The runtime of Docker image is called as a container. Then again, what is the Docker image? The collection of data. What is the data here? Binary, execution file, configuration file, any kind of files is called as a Docker image. Is it clear, everyone? Karthik, Arvind, Akshay, Bharat, Chetan, Ishwar, Kamal,
Yes.
Kumar, Velu, Gopal, Prasad, Sujaj. Okay. This is the first important question. Okay. Yes. So how to run this? Sudo space Docker space run. Yes. Sudo space Docker space run. No worries. So yesterday class we missed. Yeah. Someone is saying nah, sudo. Oh, no. Wait. Yeah. Sudo Docker run. Can you clear the screen once again? Control L. Docker images. Sudo Docker images. Instead of run, you can run the command like images. Yeah. Enter. You can give the 2 spaces here. Enter. Yes. Sudo Docker run space -it space -it. IT means what? Interactive terminal. -IT. No, hyphen dash symbol. You can press shift after 0. Yeah, super. Hyphen I means what? Interactive. T means terminal. Then again, you can give the hyphen name. Space hyphen name. Space Karthik. Space the Ubuntu colon latest. No, Ubuntu colon latest. Colon. Super. Enter. Yeah. So now you logged into the running container. This is called as a container. The runtime of Docker image is called as a container. See, now you can check it out, right? You logged into the running container. So there is a root container ID. Docker image ID is different. Container ID is different. Okay. Whenever you run the command, whenever you run the container, or else like whenever you relog in the container, the same ID will be available. Clear, right? So Docker image ID is different. Container ID is different. Okay. So now you can check the command ls. These are the folders will be there. Okay. If you want, you can create any one of the folder. Go to the cd opt, cd space opt. Enter. It is optional folder. ls. You don't have right now anything here. You can create a container. So you can create a fun folder. mkdir new folder. Enter. ls. Now we created a one folder inside the container. How to log out without stopping the running container? If you do the command Control Q, it will stop, right? But I don't want to stop the container. How to log out from the, or else how to exit from the running container? There is a shortcut command, Control PQ. Control PQ. Yes, super. Now you can run the command, enter sudo docker ps. See, one container is running. What is the container name there? The last one, Karthik. So why I'm giving the name hyphen name? I can give the, see, it will be coming the random names. So if we specify our name, it will come the our name, right? So and again, container ID, image, command, what we logged in that command, and again created, and again the status, up about in a minute. Okay. Now, so this is a how to start the container. The first question, what is the difference between Docker image and again Docker container? Docker image is nothing but collection of data. What is the data here? Execution file, binary files, all the configuration file is called as a Docker image. Then what is that?
Sorry to interrupt. So this Docker image that you're talking about, it you say it's collection of files. Where are those
Collection
files
of data.
coming from? From the EC2?
No.
Case?
So from the Docker hub. So Docker hub. So that's why we should create the Docker hub account. So this is downloading from the public repositories.
Okay.
Yeah. So now how to log into the running container? How to log? See, now already we know that like how to start the container. But now I want to log into this Karthik container. How to log in? Sudo space docker. Karthik, can you use the command? Sudo space docker space execc
EX.
execc execution. Okay. Space -it container name Karthik space bin bash. Okay, you can remove the command -it. You can remove the flag -it there. Yeah. Sudo execc Karthik space bin bash. Slash bin bash, that command, above one. Slash bin bash. First one slash. No. Slash bin slash bash. No. Exactly. Enter. Sudo docker execc. Okay. Up arrow. 1 second, up arrow. After execc, you should give the -it. Interactive terminal. Yeah. Yes. Enter. Yeah. What is execc? What is the command he gave? Up arrow. And so what is the command he gave?
Sudo docker.
Oh, execc. You have given the HCC. Sorry, I have not seen that. -it, you can remove that. -it, you can remove. execc.
EXCC.
EC. Yes, EC. Thank you, Kamal. Who is this? Yeah. Enter. Okay. Sudo docker execc -it Karthik / bin bash. Up arrow. After execc -it, you should give. -it. Enter. Yeah. Yes. See, now you log into the running container. You can check cd opt, the folder will be available there.
Is that Vishwa?
cd/opt. cd opt, not slash, cd opt. Enter. ls. Yeah, so one folder is available, right? So now you can exit from this container. Control PQ. Control PQ. Yes. So now you can clear the screen. sudo docker ps. Enter. See, if you want to rename this container, sudo docker rename. Sudo docker rename space Arvind space Karthik. You are giving the Karthik running container name to the Arvind name. Karthik. Enter. No such container. Okay. First should come Arvind. Sorry, first should come Karthik. Then again after that Arvind. Enter. Then again sudo docker ps. Enter. See, the name running container will be renamed as a Karthik to the Arvind. Okay. Now, if you want to log into the same container, again sudo docker exec-it Arvind bin bash you can do.
It's sudo docker exec, I believe.
You should run the command docker.
exec-it Arvind.
Sudo docker exec.
Sudo docker.
Whatever the commands we run, right? We should use the command docker in the beginning. Okay, bin bash, last one. Enter. Where is it? Mistake. I think you like, yeah, exec.
exec.
Yes. ls cd opt ls you can do. So the same folder will be available.
Yes.
Clear, right? Yeah. Control PQ, shift control PQ. Control PQ you can do here. Fine. So clear the screen. If you want to stop the container, you can stop. If you want to kill the container, you can kill it. So yeah, do that. Sudo docker ps. And again, everyone should need to open the Docker Hub account. So how to stop this running container? Sudo docker stop Arvind. Enter. It will take like some couple of seconds. Next, sudo docker ps. Yes. How to list the stopped containers? Sudo docker ps space -a. ps -a. I think Sujit is a new Chinese. Satish, Sujit, Satya, Gopal, Kamal, Ishwar, Chetan, Bharat, Akshay, Karthik, Arvind, right? Yeah. I think Sujit, Naligan, Akshay, Ishwar is a new Chinese, I think. Yeah. Enter. Yeah. So it is telling that like exited. Exited means stop. If you want to start the stopped container, sudo docker start the name Arvind. What is the command here? Sudo docker ps-a is a command to list all the stopped container and again running container. Okay, but only the ps command, only the running containers we can list. Enter. Yeah. Now you can check the command sudo docker ps. It will list only the running container, but sudo docker ps-a, it will list stopped container also, running container also, both will list. See, both it will list.
Yes.
Clear, right? Yeah.
It just listed on one container, right?
Yeah, running only one container. If you want to start
There's
like
no
one more
stop.
container, you can.
Okay, I got it. Okay.
Yeah, you got it, right? Yeah, I think now sudo docker images. Enter. Now we'll pull one of this web server, sudo docker pull httpd. Enter.
HTTPD.
Yes, httpd is a web server. Enter.
Oh, okay.
No. Folder will be available lifetime. It will not go. ls Ishwar, folder will not go. Folder will be available with every time and again anytime. Okay. Now sudo docker images. But only in that container. Okay. Not in this Ubuntu image. Okay. Suppose take an example. Clear the screen. Clear the screen. Sudo docker ps. Enter. See, now Arvind is right. From this Arvind, the running container, I will be creating the new Docker image. Please understand this concept now. How to create a new Docker image from the running container. Let me check here, okay? Because in the running container, Arvind, I have created the new folder. But in the Ubuntu Docker images, we don't have that new folder, right? So now we'll do one thing. Is it yes or no, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. Now how to create a new image from the running container? The question is how to create a new Docker image from the running container. Arvind, please run the command sudo space docker space commit space -a in the double quote space -a space in the double quote Karthik at karthik.com. Okay, infosys.com. Karthik at infosys.com. Space -m space in the double quote, creating a new Docker image from the Arvind container. Space Arvind. You can give the container name Arvind colon 1.0. Enter. No such container. Why? Is it stopped? Okay. Once again, up arrow. Up arrow. We missed one flag. After this is no up. Okay. After Arvind, don't give colon 1.0. After Arvind, space. Ishwar colon 1.0. Enter. Okay. Now sudo docker images. Enter. So now the new image Ishwar 1.0 is there. In the Ishwar 1.0, Ubuntu OS should be there. New folder should be there. How to start this container? Was that Karthik? Start the Ishwar container. Log into that what is that, like Ishwar? Yeah. Sudo docker run. No. Sudo docker run. So this is a new image, right? How to run the new image? Sudo docker run -it -it space -name -name. Who is one more guy? Kamal space Ishwar 1.0. Ishwar colon 1.0. Enter. Now you can go to the cd opt and do ls. Clear, right, everyone?
Okay.
Ishwar.
So basically from containers, you are again creating another image. It's just like
Exactly.
cloning, something like cloning.
It's cloning only, but we should give the commit here.
Okay.
So Ishwar, Kamal, yes, everything notes will be provided, Kamal. Is it audible, everyone? Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir, okay.
Yes, yes.
So can you run sudo docker ps? Let's see what containers are show up here.
Yeah,
I
we should
think
exit
it
from
should
this
have
one.
two
Yeah, Ishwar will not talk to me because Ishwar will not talk to us. Because if you want to talk to Ishwar, we need to pay for him, I think. He'll be giving the only chat. No, just kidding. Container to image, image to container. Yes. Exit from this container. Control PQ because you are inside the container, right? Now you can run the command sudo. Enter. Sudo docker ps. See, Kamal is running, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you, everyone. So I need to go to the 7 o'clock other class. So is it audible, right, everyone? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, how many of them are interested to join? And again, how many from like what is it? Already joined.
I have
Everyone.
one question, sir.
Yes, please.
Are we covering Kubernetes in detail in this class?
Yes, because you know the class is only for the Docker and again Kubernetes. Definitely the Kubernetes, yeah.
And we are going to run it through Jenkins pipeline.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'll enroll today, sir.
Yeah, please. So enroll it today only, everyone. So I don't want to give like again tomorrow also like what is the course duration? 45 days. Yeah.
And the course is 5 days a week. How it is due?
5 days a week. Yeah.
And for sir, like for deploying these Kubernetes and all, like what platform that we're going to use? EKS only completely. Like day one onwards, we're going to work with EKS only, right? While working with Kubernetes.
No. If we know, okay, your question is good question, but the thing is, you should know traditionally. Suppose take an example. If I want to go to the showroom, I want to buy a ready-made XL or double XL T-shirt, depending upon like XL or double XL shirt, right? But earlier cases, I want to buy a 2.5 meters cloth, and again I want to give them my what is that like meters, right? So right side shoulder, left side shoulder, and again all these things, right? If you know traditionally how to install Kubernetes, and again what are the pain point will be understanding, and again what are the pain points we'll be following while installing the Kubernetes, and again what is the exactly master node and again worker node, then we can go to the ready-made services. Is it clear? Or else
Okay.
directly if I want to go to the ready-made service means I can go.
Okay. Traditionally means
No.
what tool that we are going to use? Traditionally means.
Traditionally means we should provision the instances, like how we provision these two instances, we should provision it, we should install it manually, and again we should do it like all these things.
Okay.
Then we can use the ready-made services in AWS, EKS, and again in Azure, AKS, in Google Cloud, GKE.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I want like most of the times if we work on EKS or some other cloud related things, it would be better, I guess. Why? Because in real time we are going to use these things only EKS related.
Yes. Yeah. That's true. Yeah, exactly. But first thing we should know that how to install Kubernetes master node and work nodes. Okay.
Yeah. Got it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So yeah, everyone who are all interested, who are liking this concept, who are liking these technologies. So yeah, please go ahead. So any confusions?
No.
Yes, Gopal. 45 days, 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Clear, right? Any confusions, everyone? Can I see tomorrow everyone in the paid link in the live classes?
Yep.
Yes.
Regarding these nodes only, right? I'm having a little bit concern. Actually, are you going to prepare like any kind of a little bit information about commands that you're giving, or else a
Yes.
short definition for the topic that you're explaining, and also that will be easy for us.
Yes, definitely. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So then again, if you don't have any questions, So I'll be informing to the management team. So tomorrow they'll be making that like paid link, and again we'll start tomorrow onwards live classes. Clear?
Clear.
Okay.
Okay. So can I hope this everyone will be in the same link in the everyone? Yeah. Yeah. All right. So we'll meet tomorrow then. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you. Yeah. Yes, which covers Gopal, Jenkins microservices also. Yeah. Any doubts? Anyone?
Can I stop here, screen?
Yeah. So I'm logging out now. So thank you.